Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today I have a haul from Aliexpress and then one thing from Amazon because it didn't make it in time for the Amazon haul, so I'm just gonna throw it in here. So let's get into this bad boy. So I don't know if you guys saw my Amazon haul. I was like, there's no way I'm getting my Aliexpress packages because the mail is so messed up, and I had to cancel or like say I didn't get, I think like 6 different stores and probably almost $100 worth of things. So I ventured out about a month ago to see if like it was better, and I did get this one and I'm real happy. So this took about a month now. It is the 30th of July. So I ordered either beginning of July or end of June, not quite sure. All right, so these are that kind of foil gel that goes on top. You don't want to put this on your natural nail. That's what it said in the thing. You want to make sure you have an enhancement on. I wear enhancements, so this is fine for me. One exploded. I mean, it's not the end of the world. I'm not too mad at it because it's from Aliexpress, unlike where the inks were. I was mad, you know, and I already have like a set of these, so I'm not too mad about it, but I'll have to show you guys in a video because these are really messy to open. I think I showed the gold in the Amazon haul. I imagine these are sealed. Oh no, they're not sealed the same way. Oh, they are. Okay. Yeah, I have to like cut these open and stuff like that, so we ain't gonna be showing them in this. I know, I'm sorry. But hopefully I'll do a video on those soon. Like a little bonus video. I also picked up some foil, cause foil. So I was thinking ahead with Aliexpress taking forever. I was like, well, I better get my foils in. How do I open this? There we go. Now, because it's gonna be forever before I get them, and these came, and I'm so happy. I almost ordered these last year, and I went to go order them off, oh my god, look at that one. I went to order them off Amazon, and they were outrageously expensive, knowing I can get them from Aliexpress, but they probably wouldn't be in here in time. So I got them early enough this time that I can do them. Really excited. And then, because why not, you might as well grab the Christmas ones because you can never have enough Christmas. And I'm really into the foils that aren't full image. So a lot of my water decals for Christmas are full images, but I like the naked around it so it's not full images. So like you get that image type thing. So like, I guess, or this is probably another really good example. You can see that it's all naked around it, or there's no pattern. And so you can get a really good adhesion of that pattern. So really like that. And I know everyone has this, and I'm late to the party. It's fine. I have like one of these clear ones from another thing that I purchased. But these are all the clear. Look at the clear oil slick one. I like these a lot. So I really wanted to get these, especially if I do like a Christmas design and I want to add just some foil. Okay. On to these bad boys. So I really wanted some angel paper because I didn't have any, and everyone has angel paper and everyone has had it for years, but I never had any, never thought to get some. I mean, I did think to get some, but never just like pulled the trigger, I guess. Okay, come on. There we go. So I have a bunch of different ones, and I liked this pack specifically because it had a lot of the blue and pink, which I think is obviously going to be the most popular, but we have like an orange, there's like a greenish yellow, I know these are gonna be really hard to show. Then we have that blue, pink that everyone uses. But I also liked that there were some see-through ones. I don't know if this is 1 or 2. I think it's 2. I'm like 80% sure. Yeah. Well, that kind of sucks that it's on this one. I feel like the last one I wanted when I ordered from AliExpress, it was also the same way, that it stuck to it. Yeah, it's really easy to see down here. Maybe not in your way, that it's all stuck to it, but it is what it is. We have this guy. Yeah, I should just do this on the white. That would be much easier to see. Hollow, darker pink, lighter pink, which is upside down. There you go. Gold, which that's like normal foil. This looks like it's normal foil. A light pink. Yeah, like, look at all of these. They just keep going. It's not even in shot, sorry about that. Like, there's so many. So, now I gotta figure out how I want to store them. Whoops, I didn't think that one through. And then, come on, come on. The struggle is real today, sorry guys. And I'm about to film some tutorial. We're gonna hold this in time. So I also got these bad boys, which is like the angel paper. Honestly, it's probably close to like a vinyl feel. It may actually just be vinyl, but it's a lot thinner. So I think this is what, do you remember when flames were super big? This is also kind of washing it out a little bit. Yeah, you can kind of see them. And everyone had the homemade ones, which I also did a tutorial on, that it was the thicker vinyl. Well, AliExpress had a bunch of thinner vinyl ones, and this is, I think, what would be the same material. And it's just strips, so they're, I don't know. I'm trying to only peel one up. So see, they're just strips. So you put it down like striping tape, but it's that almost angel paper type thing. Does that make sense? But it's strips. Okay. I feel like I'm an idiot talking right now. All right. I also picked up these moon charms because I thought it'd be fun. I really wanted to do like a Sailor Moon type design with like some of that stuff, this, and I just think it would be really cute to wear one of these. And I also ordered bows, but they forgot the bows, but I had contacted them. All right, last but not least is some more of those cat eye polishes, and I'm going to film a tutorial using one of them. And I also have a haul coming, like a swatch one, so you guys can see. I'm not even in frame, I'm sorry. So you guys can see all the different ones. This is the one I think I'm gonna wear, the nude one, I think. Because I feel like if I just swatch this video, just make it really long for no reason. So that's just what I'm going to do. So that is everything I picked up. Oh yeah, it also came with one of these. It's not a ton, but I thought it was enough to have a haul by itself. So thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll catch you in the next one. Bye-bye.